You like it, huh?
What's your favorite hit?
Hey guys, welcome to JGTechBlog. Today we're gonna take a little divergence from phones and review the new Swag Cycle Envy. Now, this bike has been out for a little while. It's an electric bike. I'm really excited about it. There's been a lot of hype about electric vehicles, last mile solutions like scooters, and these mini electric bikes. So I'm really excited to be unboxing and reviewing this bike today. Let's just see what comes in the box and then we'll do a full-on review in another video. But I really just want to let you guys know we appreciate you guys watching. We're going to be taking a couple risks and trying out new devices. We hope you'll stay with us and are excited as we are. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, so right out the box, we have another box. Hey Philbert, first we have this mini box. I don't know what goes in there, but we'll put that aside. We're going to make a mess today. So, so here we have the bike. It's all wrapped up. I'm just gonna put it down for a second, make sure there's nothing else inside the box. That's about it. Just another piece of cardboard. Maybe you can use this for, you know, a science fair project or something. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the small box. Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see what we got in here. So we have some pegs and a user manual. I might actually need that to put this thing together. And we have a seat. So that's all that comes in the box. I'm gonna go ahead, just unbox the rest and then assemble it. And then maybe we'll do a couple test runs and show you guys how this baby runs. So yeah. Oh, the neighbors are gonna kill me. We have a lot of cleaning to do, Philbert. The maximum load on this bike is around 264 pounds or 120 kilograms. It allows you to ride up to 9 miles on a single charge, and it features a strong steel frame that provides lasting durability. The Swag Cycle Envy has a handle that folds down so the bike can easily be stored under a desk or in a trunk. Rear wheel disc brakes work for a quick and effective stopping power, and a rechargeable 36V lithium-ion battery provides all the power needed for a fun ride. The Swag Cycle Envy folding e-bike is available at Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and runs around $349. It comes in 4 colors, your standard black, blue, red, and white. One thing that didn't come in the box was the charger, so I was wondering where is the charger? And I realized there's this little sliding compartment right here, and the charger comes in, and you can plug it up into this little hole right here. It's a AC power adapter like the one on the PS3s. It takes about 3 to 5 hours to get full battery. The manual mentions that the maximum load is 264 pounds or 120 kilograms and can achieve a speed of 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour. However, at a weight of 165 pounds or 75 kilograms, I was able to achieve a speed of 16 miles per hour or 25 kilometers per hour. Now, 165 of 264 is about 62% of the max load, so it's possible if you are lighter, then you can go slightly faster or vice versa. I also got my friends' initial impressions and they really enjoyed it. Now, I want to give you guys a full review, but I want to wait a few days so that I can give it a full charge, see how far it can go, and observe the nuances of the Swagatron Envy. That's all for the unboxing and first impressions. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time we're out with a new video. See you next time.